Okay, cousins, it's your girl, All Things Bree. And we're doing things a little bit different today. I have Sun with me. Tell him what your name is.
Brayson, I start with a B.
Okay, and what are we doing today, Brayson, that starts with a B?
Pizza.
Okay, have a seat. Let's see. Show me what you got.
So we have some cheese.
Okay, so we got some Italian blend cheese.
And some more cheese.
Turn it around. Let me see what kind of cheese you got. Mexican style blend, okay.
And we got some yummy pepperonis.
Pepperonis. What else you got?
And we got the bread.
Pizza crust.
Pizza crust.
Uh-huh. And what else?
And we got the thing we lay the pizza on.
And what is this? Can't forget this.
Pizza sauce.
Pizza sauce. Turn it around. Let me see what you got. So are you making a cheese pizza or pepperoni pizza?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni pizza?
Yes.
Are you ready to get started?
Yeah.
And what should our cousins do?
Watch.
And
Press the subscribe button.
good job. Okay, let's go ahead and get started on our pizza. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and I'm gonna get some scissors so we can open up our ingredients so we can get started. Okie dokie?
Okay.
All right, I'll be right back.
Whose cousins are these? Is this Jay and Zion?
No, those are our YouTube cousins.
Are they real?
Yeah.
But are they Jay and Zion, my real cousins?
They are our YouTube cousins. Okay, so first we're gonna need our pizza crust, right?
Yeah.
All right. Here is your crust. Okay.
And the last time we did a pizza.
What you mean?
Last time we did was right here.
Yep, we did make a pizza before. Yep. So we got our crust. Tell them what's next.
Now we just need the sauce.
Sauce. Okay.
We need to rub it.
Yep. So we're gonna use our spoon.
Yes,
For
like
our
last time.
Yep. So we got our pizza sauce. Let's not go crazy, okay?
Like last time.
Scoop it out and then rub it on your pizza.
Scoopy. Looks like jelly.
Smells good. Whoa. Hold on, silly. We gotta get another spoon.
I wanted to lick it.
I know, it's okay.
I can't lick it?
You can lick it, but you can't duck your spoon back in there after you dip it, huh? Get some more sauce. Make sure you get some over there.
Now let's do this.
Can Mama help you out a little bit?
Sure.
And if you hear that noise in the background, it's the dishwasher. I'm trying to do like 10 things at once.
And my mom works from home. And I go to kindergarten.
Oh yeah. Okay, we just gonna set our spoon right there for a second.
What's next?
You tell me, what's next?
Pepperonis.
You just gonna do sauce and pepperonis?
Oh, cheese.
Cheese, silly goose. All
Me
right.
and my mom love each other.
Oh yeah. Okay. Put your hand in there and put some cheese on. Make sure you sprinkle it all around. Yep. Cheesy. And I like to use Mexican blend cheese. Oh Lord. Huh. Get some more. Let me see. Let me help you out. I like to use Mexican blend cheese because it's like it's more flavorful, like it's seasoned or something, versus like regular.
And you can eat it.
Yeah, well you can eat all cheese, baby.
It looks weird. It looks like a cheese pizza.
It does look like a cheese pizza. Let's show them what we got so far. So this is what we got so far.
Yeah.
Okay, what's next?
Now we need this.
the 6 cheese, 6 blend, Lord, I can't talk. 6 cheese Italian blend. Oh, okay.
Well, when I saw you do that, I thought you couldn't read.
I can definitely read. Huh, you do it. Now we just need a little. Put your hand in there.
A little?
Yep. Put it in more than one spot, baby.
It's white.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna help you out. When you putting it all in one spot, you got to sprinkle it around, you know? Okay.
Do we need sauce?
No. What's next?
Now we just need some pepperoni.
Pepperonis.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Okay.
Pepperonis is the fun part.
You have to tear them apart. Look, you got 2. You gotta put them on your pizza, silly goosey.
The ingredients taste good though.
I know it does. That's only 1. Oh, it is 2. I'm sorry. Good job, Cookie Wookie. Let's see if we can scooch you out a little closer. There we are.
Are they kids or grown-ups?
Pretty sure it's grown-ups. Need help?
Yeah.
Good job. Make sure you get some in the middle. There you go. All right. Got all of them on there? Yep. Okay. Mommy is going to put a little bit more, just a little sprinkle of cheese on the top.
Can I have one more pepperoni?
Huh?
Can I have one more pepperoni?
Of course you can, Cookie Wookie.
Please.
There you go.
Um,
We're going to do a little sprinkle of the 6 blend on top.
it looks crazy.
It looks crazy?
Yeah. This will look like my pizza.
Well, we haven't cooked it yet. Okay, so this is what the pizza is looking like before we put it in the oven. What you think? And what?
Don't forget to press that subscribe button.
Oh, yeah. And tell them to leave us a comment about what they think about our pizza.
Leave us a comment and watch all our videos.
Oh, yeah.
They're fun.
All right, let's go put our pizza in the oven, and we'll be right back.
Bye.
Oh, I got the sneezes. Excuse me. Okay, I can't find the pizza cutter, so I'm just gonna use a knife.
And remember, always put on something soft so you won't cut your finger or your hand.
Well, I put this on because it's probably hot.
Yeah, and put it in. And if you're making pizza like this one, put a glove on so you won't burn your hands. And if you don't have a pizza cutter, you can use a knife. But be really careful. It's really sharp. And it'll really hurt you.
You want it in 2 or you want it in 4 pieces?
2.
2 pieces? Okay.
Yeah, so
let me get you a plate so you can try it out.
Because I want to just eat my pizzas and I want to go back upstairs. Eat my pizza.
Okay.
Eat my pizza and go back upstairs.
So there's 1/2.
So I'm eating those pizzas?
There's 2 halves.
I'm eating that pizza?
Yeah, it's yours. It's your dinner.
I'm eating the whole pizza?
Yeah. So that's what it's looking like.
Oh, I can't believe I'm eating that.
All right. So our video is coming to an end, of course.
You can.
Huh?
What do you guys start with?
Anywho, okay, make sure you leave us a comment. Tell us what you think about our pizza. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Turn on that post notification bell, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.